Our day in Singapore began bright and early, just like every adventure with a little one. Traveling with kids means planning every moment fully, but it also makes every experience extra magical. We boarded the metro and reached Khatib station, from where we took the shuttle to Mandai. Nemo absolutely loved sitting beside me, watching the world pass by through the shuttle window. Walking, and walking some more, we finally arrived at the beautiful Singapore Zoo. Even the entrance felt like stepping into a lush rainforest adventure. Just a few minutes into our walk, we spotted a peaceful pond and suddenly a crocodile moved. The calm water, the greenery, and that little surprise made the moment unforgettable. As we explored further, we surrounded by beautiful birds and fascinating animals everywhere. Monkeys swinging from branches, elegant flamingos standing gracefully. Every corner felt alive. Then came the elephants. Nemo loved this the most. Watching them splash water, play around, and enjoy themselves was pure joy. After this, we went on the buggy to attend Rainforest Fights Back and Splash Safari at the amphitheatre. Rainforest Fights Back is an educational amphitheatre show highlighting the animals of the rainforest while spreading an important message about conservation and protecting nature.
Guys will enjoy the show. So with that said, are you ready? Alright, okay, ready for this? So these guys are three twin brothers, Rico and Esteban. Okay, so we're gonna set them up.
Bye bye boys. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, ready? There you go, swift and silent nose. It is going to glide. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, and glide. And stop. Throw the grip as high as you can. Of course, Chief Lion is going to catch it. Okay, so guys, get your cameras ready. Not yet.
Watching the colorful birds fly beautifully across the amphitheatre and perform so perfectly was truly mesmerizing. After the show, we captured a few lovely moments with the birds. Hope you enjoyed those little clicks. Next came Splash Safari, a fun and exciting sea lion presentation featuring California sea lions performing at the Shaw Amphitheatre. Their playful tricks and energetic performance made the entire crowd cheer with excitement, especially Nemo.
Stop pretending, there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that is 40 kilometers per hour in almost this run. And the movie because right now California is going to my favorite movie because this was about our belly. This is the belly slide. Okay, right now focus your attention, go back, not there.
Later, we took the buggy safari ride to rest our legs while enjoying views of the animals under the bright sunny day. Nemo got a little tired and took a sweet nap right there on the buggy. We then explored fragile forest and Reptopia. Where we saw a numerous reptiles and even huge orangutan, beautiful yet a little scary too. We also attended Animal Friends, the dog show, and this became Nemo's absolute favorite. His love for dogs made this moment even more special, and seeing his happiness made our hearts full. But the adventure wasn't over yet. We didn't want to miss the final sea lion show, so we made our way once again to enjoy one last amazing performance.
Hello, boys. Sea lions, they are fascinating animals. In fact,
And just like that, our magical day at Singapore Zoo came to an end. As we boarded the shuttle back, we carried with us tired feet, happy hearts, and unforgettable memories. As the day came to a close, we didn't just leave with photos, but with memories we will treasure forever. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful adventure with Mom and Giggles. Until the next journey, keep smiling, keep exploring, and keep making little moments magical.